Hello guys, this is the video on mean value theorem. Verify mean value theorem for the function f of x equal to x square in the closed interval 2, 4. We know the statement of mean value theorem. Let f from closed interval a, b into R be a continuous function on closed interval a, b and differentiable on open interval a, b, then there exists a c in open interval a, b such that f dash of c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. In the question, the given function is f of x equal to x square and a equal to 2 and b equal to 4. Using mean value theorem, we write let f of x equal to x square, f from closed interval 2, 4 into R be a continuous function on closed interval 2, 4 and differentiable on open interval 2, 4. Now, f of x equal to x square, differentiate with respect to x, that is f dash of x is differentiation of x square is 2x with respect to x. Now replace x by c. So f dash of c equal to 2c. Clear? Now f of x equal to x square, a equal to 2 and b equal to 4. First find f of a value. F of a equal to f of 2. F of x equal to x square. So f of 2 equal to 2 square, that is 4. F of b equal to f of 4 is equal to 4 square is equal to 16. Now write f dash of c. F dash of c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Substitute all the values. F dash of c equal to 2c, f of b equal to 16, f of a equal to 4, b equal to 4, a equal to 2. So 16 minus 4 is 12, 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. Therefore 2c equal to 6, c equal to 6 by 2, c equal to 2 ones are 2 3s are 6. We get c equal to 3. And in the theorem, c belongs to open interval a, b. So c belongs to open interval 2, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here interval is 2, 4. So 3 lies between 2 and 4. So we get c is equal to 3 belongs to open interval 2, 4. Mean value theorem states that there is a point c belongs to open interval 2, 4 such that f dash of c equal to 6. Thus c belongs to open interval 2, 4. So we can conclude that mean value theorem for the function f of x equal to x square in the interval 2, 4 is verified.